This video will show the difference between different chimney liner systems as well as Class A chimney systems. Many masonry structures, to improve the safety and performance, are relined using a stainless steel. This is a rigid stainless steel liner, a 6-inch liner in this particular situation. Sometimes a flexible chimney liner can be used for replacing the insides of the chimneys. And this makes the chimney higher performance and a lot safer. Our Type 1 vacuum stack would slide directly into either types of these lining systems. This is a 6-inch vacuum stack, a model VSS6 that we're putting into a 6-inch liner. If it was an 8-inch liner, we would require an 8-inch vacuum stack. A 10-inch liner would require a 10-inch vacuum stack. The flexible lining systems as well have a similar sizing scheme. The next two types of chimneys we're going to be working with are Class A chimneys. There are two primary types. One's called a solid pack chimney. This particular chimney section is a section, they usually come in 3 and 4 foot sections, and they screw into one section on top of another. These are high temperature chimney systems. This is an 8-inch and typically would be about a 1-inch wall all the way around, making it about 10 inches on the outside dimension. The top is sealed, so again we would use the Type 1 vacuum stack, which would insert directly into the top of the chimney and be secured in place with silicone to make sure that it's a watertight fit. The next type of the chimney we're going to work with is a Class A air-cooled chimney system. This is commonly used on fireplace systems and in some other installations as well. This is an 8-inch system. It has an 8-inch inner liner. The outer wall is usually 2 inches all the way around and typically would be around 12 to 14 inches on the outside dimension. This requires a Type 2 vacuum stack or a Type 2 weather shield. These are air-cooled models that allow the air to continue to circulate. These areas on the air cooling cannot be sealed because that will cause the chimney to overheat and not be safe. I'm going to install a weather shield onto this particular model with the air cooling. I'm going to install the weather shield TDW model on this, an 8-inch WSA 8 TDW, onto this chimney, and that will have the appropriate air cooling attachments on the cap. This particular unit has a flexible base. Sometimes the 8-inch might be a little bit smaller or a little bit larger. This is designed to shrink down or to expand. It can be installed very simply using these spacers to elevate above the air-cooled portion. And the cap is installed. We have the air-cooled models, TDW models, available in the vacuum stack as well as the weather shield product lines.